Hello, this is a short tutorial on 2 exercises you can do to help you get ready for running downhill or hiking downhill. I'm going to start with a little slant board. So I have a thick 2x4. This is important. If the 2x4 is not thick, then, and maybe this isn't even a 2x4, maybe it's a little bit thicker than that. Anyway, you want to make sure there's some thickness here. Otherwise, there's too much bowing in the board. And I have a cork yoga block. I have this set up like this. I'm going to stand so that I am facing down my 2x4. My torso, you will notice, is leaning forward. It's not back here. Because if I were back here and I were running downhill, how do you think that would feel on my knee? Probably not great, right? So if I want to think of this as a way to practice what it might be like to run downhill, I want my torso forward a little bit. You're going to reach through the pinky edge of your foot, and you're going to get the sense that you're lifting the inner ankle bone up a little bit. The other thing you can think about, this works really well for me, is rotating the skin of your calf in and the skin of your upper thigh out so that you can do some balance here. Balance. And then if you want, you can pick up and lower down. So if I do that on the other side, same thing, pinky edge of the foot's long. My inner ankle bone's lifting up. My calf is rotating in. The skin of my upper thigh is rotating out. I'm looking forward a little bit. I'm going to lift this foot, lower it down, get myself situated, see what that feels like in the leg. And then I can lift, lower down. That's exercise 1. Move that out of the way. All right, exercise 2. Apologize. I'm going to turn and face behind. So you'll get a rear shot. I'm going to stand facing my box. And this is, I recognize, more going up than going down, but all the same principles are there for the coordination that you need. So I'm going to place my right foot on the box. I'm going to lift my inside ankle bone. I'm going to make sure the pinky edge of my foot is long, and I'm going to get the inside ankle bone lifted. I'm going to start to transfer weight into this foot. I'm going to stay low as I pick this foot up. I stay low. I stay low, right? So I'm not popping myself up. Because when you run downhill, you want to make sure you are going forward. Same with hiking. Again, if you're way back here, this just feels less good. So, as always, if you found those useful, please like, share, subscribe, drop any comments below. And thank you so much for your time. See you next time.